Gates open, they're up and racing, getting better. Dugos Fantasy at the center, moving up. Animal Instinct together with a favorite. Go Army, there goes Owaki, then followed by Ale, then comes entry number 6 is Speed of Film, is Street Bump, and a long way back to Sword of War. Past the last 900, Animal Instinct in command. Go Army moving up down on the inside. Owaki saw the outside, then followed by Dugos Fantasy. Street Bump moving up by the rail. Ale, Dugos Fantasy saw the outside. Past the last 600. Go! Army now in command, followed by Owaki on the outside. Dropping back in 30s, Animal Instinct closing in fourth on the outside is Dugos Fantasy. In between runners, Street Bump getting better as they turn for home. Jeff Sarate on Go Army still with a double wrap in front, leading the field by about 3. Owaki remains in second, moving up party outside is Street Bump, Dugos Fantasy, and leading the finish line. It's just a simple exercise for the horse of Mr. Hermes Guerra, Go Army. Second, Owaki close between Dugos Fantasy and number 5 Street Bump. Ale for your Pentapecta.